Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to create amazing AI cover songs. All the tools I'll be showing you guys today are all free to use. And by using all these tools, we can convert any song into different new voices, allowing us to create AI cover songs. So, let's get started. To begin with, we're going to be using this Song R AI Song Generator tool. Feel free to search for the website or follow a link down below. So to start, let's generate our AI song by typing our prompt in the corresponding genre we wish to use, and then click on the Generate button. If you don't like the lyrics, feel free to clear them and type your own, or click the Try Again button to generate a new AI song lyrics. If you're happy, select a voice actor of your choice, and then click Render to start generating your AI song and its music. Feel free to listen to it as you wish. Once you're happy with your result, go ahead and click on the Download button to begin downloading your AI song in video or audio format. Now, we're going to use the AI Vocal Remover tool to separate our AI music and the AI vocals. Once you're here in the AI Vocal Remover site, click on Browse My File to upload your AI song. All we have to do is wait for the process to complete and then download the separated vocal and music files to our computer. Next, let's use an AI to change our voice into that of a celebrity or even a custom voice artist. Here, we're going to be using this free AI voice changer application. Simply click the Sign In button and feel free to sign in with your Google account. Now, let's go to the royalty-free music page. Click the Add or Drop Audio File button there, and then upload our AI vocal track. Then simply select an AI voice actor from the list. Remember, you can always do some further editing from the Advanced menu. Once you have all your options set, click on the Convert button to generate your new AI vocal track. Once that's done generating, click on the Download button to download your newly generated AI voice. Now, in the same place, let's try out their Community Voices page. Type your desired artist's name, click on the Use Voice button to utilize their voice, and then repeat the steps in part 3 to convert your voice into a new AI voice with the selected voice actor. If you wish to use celebrity voices, we can go back to the community pages again, enter your desired celebrity's name, click on the Use Voice button, and then yet again, repeat the steps from part 3 to convert the voice into a new AI voice with the chosen celebrity voice. Now, the next step will require Audacity. Simply search for Audacity on your favorite web browser to download and install it to your computer. Once you have Audacity, feel free to launch it, and then drag and drop your AI music and AI vocal as so. Be sure to arrange it so that the music and audio sync up. Once that's all done, click on File, select Export, and then choose Export as MP3 to save the combined audio and vocal track in a new MP3 format. And that's really all there is to creating your own AI cover songs. If you have any questions or inquiries with the steps I've shown you today, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.